Hey, and welcome back to a new video. My name is Tugay, and today I'll show you a new prototype version of a feature that we are currently working on. Imagine you want to draw or write down something by hand and transfer it from a piece of paper to your E-ChalkBoard. So let's start by drawing a simple smiley. This is just for a small use case. Here you have a piece of paper with more complex content on it. So now we have to make an image with our viewneo companion application, and then we can upload it to our E-ChalkBoard. Please keep in mind that this is a prototype version, so we have to wait a moment. Now we can click on upload. And the E-ChalkBoard should update any moment. As you can see, the upload is complete and we have our new content on the E-ChalkBoard. This paper is of course reusable, we just have to clean it. Now we have more space for new content. Thanks for watching.